Hi, I wanted to go over how to create a website in SaleCore. If you have the website module added to your account, you'll notice that there's a website option in your menu. You can click that website. It's going to bring up this screen here. You have two kind of areas. You have your company website area where if you're company admin, you'll have all of the company websites. You might have a content template that's something that you share with your users. In a lot of cases we do a lot of real estate, so in this your agents. So if you have content and a site template that's built out, you'd kind of push that down to your agents and other organizations, your employees, if you have individual websites. For creating a website that's personal, that's assigned to just a specific user instead of all users in a company, you just come into create a new website. It'll give you a spot to put your basic site address. This is kind of something that we know that this domain is pointed to us and is verified by your company or by us. So this one's using HomeSwing because we're using the HomeSwing's account. This website's going to say Brandon Imana. I'm going to go ahead and rename this to be Brandon Test. If I had a website domain, I could add it here. And all these things you could always add later, so it's not really that big of a deal. I'm going to go ahead and skip these, the site title and description. These are website options, so if I put content here, it's actually duplicated across the site. You also have the ability, once you've created your site, to do this at a page level, which will be a little bit more optimized and probably specific to what you need. You have the option designs. This really means right now that we've gone responsive, the designs are mostly just color combinations, and here we're going to go ahead and choose the black and white. It's a responsive site. All of these designs, layouts are basically the same, just the colors are different. And what this will do is give us now an option to select your content. The content is the template. It creates all the pages and the look and feel of the pages. It'll basically build out a site with all the content that you want in your template. Most cases your company has selected a template that makes sense for you, or maybe there's two options. It should have like a brief description. Here we have a custom site. Most likely if you have a custom site, your company has purchased a specific design content and design site that they want you to use. So we'll go ahead and use this one. What this will do is generate the site, so we just wait for it to generate. Once it's generated, it'll drop into a status of unpublished. That means nobody can review this except you. This URL would not work until it's published. So instead of just publishing, we'll go ahead and go into edit revision so you can see what the site's going to look like. So this site was created, has a lot of different content that's already been dropped in. It looks like they used the variables for this template so that I don't have to do anything. It's pulled from all this information are variables that were pulled from my user information in the personnel record, so I don't have to do anything. I could just publish this and the site would be ready to go. Okay, I'm going to stop here and we'll review some of the other options in other videos. Thank you.